Learning fruit names in English. This is an apple. The apple is red. I like apples. This is an orange. The orange is orange. I like oranges.
This is a banana. Banana is yellow. I like banana.
This is a blueberry. The blueberry is blue. I like blueberries.
This is a strawberry. The strawberry is red. I like strawberries. These are grapes. The grapes are purple. I like grapes. This is a watermelon. The watermelon is green and red. I like watermelon. This is a pineapple. The pineapple is yellow and brown. I like pineapple. This is a pear. The pear is green. I like pears.
This is a peach. The peach is pink. I like peaches. I really like fruit. Fruit is very good for our health. Do you like fruit? I eat a lot of fruit. I'm so full.